Yeah. Hola. 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 This is Andy. Today I'm going to share with you the 10 things that you have to know about LiFePO4 battery. Now, a lot of people are choosing LiFePO4 battery because of its super long cycle life. LiFePO4 battery can be working for a very long time, such as 10 years. 10 years, no problem. And you don't have to charge it to full. There's very little maintenance needed. But still, LiFePO4 battery also has a shortage or some cautions that you have to take care. So here, the 10 things you have to know before you choose your right LiFePO4 battery. Okay, the first important thing is that the cycle life. In my opinion, the cycle life is the biggest advantage of LiFePO4 battery. Well, it is not only a lot more than lead acid battery, but also the cycle life of LiFePO4 battery is about 50% more than other lithium batteries. So if under a reasonable settings, the cycle life of LiFePO4 battery can reach 6,000 cycles. So it can be working for about 20 years. So in this cycle life part, it is already good enough for a household appliance. But anyway, it is still under the control of BMS. You have to set the right BMS voltage, current, so that you can keep the LiFePO4 battery to be working under a good settings. Okay, so if you are using the battery over one cycle a day, LiFePO4 battery is the best choice such as for the applications like residential solar systems, commercial solar systems, or like golf carts, the low-speed vehicles, like the cleaning machines. LiFePO4 battery is a good option for these applications. Okay, number two is the weakness of LiFePO4 battery. It is not allowed to charge below 0 degrees Celsius. Well, this advice is not only for the LiFePO4 battery but also for all the lithium batteries. Well, if you are living in a warm area, you don't have to care about this. Or if you are using the battery in a solar system and the temperature only be under 0 degrees in the night, and then you don't have to worry about it, because solar system only charges the batteries in the daytime. But anyway, there are still a lot of conditions you have to charge the battery under 0 degrees. So how can we deal with it? Okay, we can build a self-heating function inside of this battery. Well, this is when the BMS detects temperature is under 0 degrees, then there is a charge current coming. The charge current can heat up the battery by a heating film inside of the battery. So this function needs two things. One is the BMS, the heating module, and also a heating film. Okay, it's like when the battery temperature is under 0 degrees, Then the charge current will heat up the battery until it is over 5 degrees. Then the charge current can continue to charge the battery. So actually the battery is charging at over 5 degrees. It is totally safe. Okay, number 3. LiFePO4 battery is the safe lithium technology, the safest. Okay, well, now the lithium technology is matured, and also the BMS is well designed. The BMS has triple layers of the protections. But still a lot of people think that lithium battery is dangerous. Well, it's like the plane. Still a lot of people are thinking that plane is not safe. They are very afraid of traveling by plane. Well, that's their choice. Okay, LiFePO4 battery's chemical structure is very stable. There is no thermal runaway. In simple understanding, there is no self-burning of LiFePO4 battery. LiFePO4 battery only burns when the temperature is over 500 degrees Celsius. Okay, number 4. LiFePO4 battery is eco-friendly. As you can see from the name, LiFePO4, lithium, ferro, phosphorus, they are all common elements on the earth, from the earth. Okay. Unlike other batteries like lead acid battery, lead is a heavy metal. NMC, lithium battery, cobalt needs special treatment. So in my opinion, it is very important for the battery not to harm the earth, because as we all know that renewable energy is designed to protect the earth. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is about the nominal voltage. When we call a LiFePO4 battery 12 volts 100 ampere hour, it is actually 12.8 volts. Well, there's not much difference, but you have to know it, because maybe you will use it in a voltage sensitive application. Okay, then the 24 volts, the nominal voltage is actually 25.6, and 48 volts, it may be 51.2 volts. Well, these voltages are still compatible with your charge controllers and inverters, but I think it is also very important for you to know the voltage difference from the lead acid batteries.